Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here, and in this tutorial we will continue with the ceiling cover model, which is a tutorial requested by one of my subscribers. So let's have a look at the last portion of our tutorial. So we have these tasks remaining to be done. So hole diameter will always be 10% of dim1. As you can see here, edit formula, hole diameter is always 10% of dim1, so that is multiplied by 0.1, 10%. Now to be good for the radius, just divide it by 2. You click on OK, and you can see that the radius is 0.6. Click on OK. Now let's see whether this value is good for the question. So it says the hole diameter is 10% of the outer diameter. So the outer diameter is 12. So 10% of 12 is 1.2, and 1.2 divided by 2 is radius 0.6. So it follows our question. Now that has been ruled out, and what remains? Bolt circle pattern diameter is 3/4 of dim1. Oops. Bolt circle pattern diameter. So I think, yeah, this is the one. So let's just for this bolt circle diameter, what was the question? Bolt circle pattern diameter is 3/4 of dim1. So 3/4 means 0.75. So 0.75 of dim1 divided by 2. Click on OK. So that point is done as well. Let's exit the sketch and let's save the model, and let's see what it remains. Now curve radius dim5 is 1/3 of dim3. So this is a little, I cannot say confusing, but you will have to add another parameter. So why is because if you see the question, they are saying curve radius dim5. Firstly, let's have a look at what is dim5. Dim5 is the edge fillet radius. So they are saying that edge fillet radius must be 1/3 of dim3, this value. So first of all, we don't have a parameter for dim3. Dim3 takes value from the outer dia. So let's firstly create a parameter for dim3. Let's just create a parameter, click on OK, and specify this as dim3. Even if we don't create a parameter for dim3, we still can what do you say, we still can create or follow the dim5 to be 1/3 of dim3, but it's going to be a long formula. So for your easy understanding, let's firstly create a value for dim3. So as you know, dim3 is being already assigned here, so we can simply take out, copy, Control C, just press Control C, and you can simply go for edit formula and paste that value here and click on OK. So we simply have that dim3 value here. Now we can go on the pad and go for edit and just remove this and take the value from the dim3 and click on OK. So simply what I did was, whatever formula I gave here, I gave that formula inside another parameter. The reason why I did that was because I wanted to again create another formula using dim3. So just repeat the steps 2 or 3 times and you will understand why. Now we have dim3 here. Let's see the next step. dim5 is 1 by 3 of dim3. So dim5 is the edge fillet radius. So we don't need to create another parameter. You just have to go for edge fillet and go for edit formula and just take this value 1 by 3 of dim3. Just click on OK and click on OK. And just go over here, go for edit formula and just copy paste this value and just put the same value for this as well. Edit formula and just paste that value. And if you click on OK, both of this edge fillet is reading from the same parameter, that is dim3. So finally we have created 1, 2 and 3 parameters, and as you can see, if you just try to increase, you can see that the number of slots increases. And if you increase the value to 14, everything is related. All of these values are related. Even this, the inner circle and the outer diameter and the pad and even the edge fillet, everything is related. Just try to change it to 15. See, as you can see, it's 1.167. If you change it to 15, it changes to 1.25. So that was a simple tutorial, and I hope everybody enjoyed this. And if you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment below each video. Whichever part you're having doubt, you can select that part and put a comment below, and I'll try to get back to you. If you have any suggestions or any if you have any doubts, or if you want me to create a tutorial on a particular topic or project like this, you can just email me, or you can comment below the video and I'll get in touch with you. I hope you enjoyed. I want your comments, your likes, and I want you to share the videos to maximum people as you can, and your subscriptions and your comments and your support is what made me to create a lot of helpful tutorial for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much and stay tuned.